Skitties, what? Let me slow down. What up, world? Welcome back to another episode of Skinny's World. Yes, I'm in LA now. Yes, La La Land, I'm back. Coming to Sunset GT. It's been a minute. Closed down, after the whole world, took a break pretty much. But most excited to see all the amazing cars. We got Lambos, yes we do. Day 2 hanging out with the crew before Monterey Car Week. I'm just pumped because I love hanging with the fam. You never know what's gonna happen. We're in LA, we're in the Batmobile. Skinny's World. Snap crackles. Y-E-E. Yay! I think it's fair to say that we are heading in the right spot. The full tilt on the Aventadors. Oh my gosh. Full tilt on the Aventadors. Wow. Yo, this is crazy. Safe to say I might not get in. This is nuts. I'm an hour early, guys. It starts at 9 and it's 8:09. It's a little bit under an hour. There's a line of cars. This is crazy. On clockwork. The boys are back. These guys got the right idea. They gonna get in before I do. The bike crew's gonna beat me in. And they're getting exercise. Sheesh. This is freaking insane. Wow. Holy crap. God. It is madness over here. Cars are crazy. It's packed. Let me stop talking and get some B-roll. Are you causing problems again?
Always, man. When am I not causing a problem?
David, you say you from the
What's
right
that?
here?
Oh man. Look, man, see?
It's too much going on.
See how they do me, y'all? Man, Mr. Balenciaga. I love you, buddy.
Guys, you guys already know. Now, South Coast OC is definitely the biggest event in the nation, California. Sunset GT has the most exclusive and nastiest whips you will see in Cali. I'm not gonna lie. You guys saw the hypercars. It was just insane. Wow. That's what I'm talking about. Sunset GT, the most exclusive cars you will see in Cali. Alright guys, the event is nuts, crazy. Wow. Head out with the boys. We're gonna get some eats because we're hungry, and then we're gonna hit the streets. So hang on tight. Skinny's World, baby. Yay! Great. Yay! Wow. Wow. We rolling. Let's go. Moving. Look at these two sons of bitches. That thing dumps bangs, baby! 11s, baby. 11s. And one of one. Well, somehow we ended up at PMNL Quick Strike. I say that right? I think I did. I think we're still on for some more fast driving car adventures. Everybody's freaking out over Damon and Dave and the Aperta and the 720 GTR 1 of 1. Yes, they are crazy. Rose gold? Woo! Woo! That's lit. Let's go. I gotta change your plan, Short-lived at the the Quick Strike. Now we're going to Ghost Squadron. Yeah, let's check it out. Let's go. Wow. Wow. I'm not even gonna rev because it's not worth it. Oh, okay, okay. Yeah. There we go. That was a healthy one.
Swipe. Just picked up some bands, come again. They do what I do, I'm like Simon says. Yeah, I'm the running man, rapping rubber bands. They do what I do, I'm like Simon says. They do what I do, I'm like Simon says. Swerving, making plays, cool Ferrari red. Never out my zone, touchdown in my hands. Only fam around me, I can't have no friends.
Wow, the madness is real. You guys see all the nasty whips, 10 people outside, and it's crazy inside. So you guys saw the B-roll. You got the Ghost Squadron right in the center. I'm gonna call this the jump circle. Just like basketball in the NBA, where you do a jump ball, but we got Jump Ghost.
Hey, cause I see him fall. I see him fall. I see the change coming soon, dog. Man, I see.
You guys see the Ghost Circle? Yeah, you do. It's nuts. I've never seen this many million dollar vehicles all in one spot. This is insane. This is right before Car Week, guys. I'm so excited to go to Car Week because if this is what it's gonna be like, then yeah, that's all I can say. All right, guys, it is about that time to say goodbye. Hope you guys enjoy the ripping. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. The next one's gonna be Car Week. I'm excited. Going to rally with my boys, the DDE fam. And you know what's gonna be wild. You know what's gonna be crazy. Hit that subscribe button on the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Do not be shy. Don't hesitate. Join the Real Crew fam. And just like that, Skinny's Rule. And we out. Peace.